The Lift Assist Beach Chair Positioner System allows you to have unobstructed posterior access of the operative shoulder and makes repositioning the patient quick and easy. To start, remove the intubation pad. Next, unlock the shoulder panel locks and remove the shoulder panels by swinging the panels back and unhooking them from the head positioner tubes. This will make the beach chair lighter and easier to manage. Remove the rail clamps from each side of the cart and place them onto the torso section of the table by setting the top jaw on the rail and snapping the hinged bottom jaw into place. Slide the rail clamps to the end of the table rail, preferably to the rail stops. Loosen the width extension knob by turning it counterclockwise. Loosen both rail clamp knobs completely. Lift the beach chair by placing the dominant hand on the red release handle and the opposite hand on the relevant side. The non-dominant hand should be placed well behind the rail clamp mount. Align the first rail clamp mount above the coinciding rail clamp and slide it into place. The mount should be resting on the edge of the rail clamp. Adjust the width of the support bar until the second rail clamp mount aligns with the rail clamp. Lower the beach chair until the mount slides over the rail clamp, being careful not to force. The rail clamp mount is not correctly installed until the green indicator is visible through the indicator slot and the pin is flush with the top. Ensure there is no gap between the beach chair and the OR table pad and that the foam roll is hanging below the beach chair. Tighten both of the rail clamp mount knobs by turning clockwise. Tighten the width extension knob by turning clockwise. Replace the shoulder panels by hooking the latches around the head positioner tubes and swinging the panel forward as shown. Engage the shoulder panel locks by turning them outward. Reconnect the intubation pad to the head positioner tubes by snapping it into place. Adjust the lateral position of the beach chair by gently sliding it near the base along the support bar until the desired position is achieved. Unlock the red beach chair release handle and lower the beach chair slowly until it lies horizontal, flush with the OR table pad. Releasing the red handle will lock the beach chair into place. Use the head positioner handle to assist in lowering. Unlock the head positioner tube release and extend the head positioner tubes by grasping the handle at the top and gently pulling outward. Lock the head positioner tube release and slide the intubation pad into place. After performing any necessary anesthetization, gently place the patient's head in the head restraint disposable. Fold the foam straps over the patient's forehead. Center the chin strap on the patient and fold it over the top of the patient's head, securing it with Velcro. Slide the universal head positioner onto the head positioner tubes by pressing the spring button on the side. Ensure that the adjustment knob is on the non-operative side of the patient. Lift the patient's head and remove the intubation pad. Slide the head positioner forward and gently lower the patient's head, aligning the top edge of the head restraint disposable with the top edge of the universal head positioner. Secure the head by overlapping the Velcro straps across the foam padding on the forehead of the patient. Ensure the head positioner tubes are locked by engaging the head positioner tube release as shown. Unlock the beach chair release handle and gently raise the beach chair using both the head positioner handle and release handle. Lock the release handle once it is in position. Use the headrest lock if needed by sliding it below the head positioner and tightening the knob. Unlock and remove the shoulder panel from the operative side of the patient. Attach the counter traction strap on the non-operative side of the patient by sliding it into the Easy Lock socket and tightening the handle. Attach the LPS arm support by sliding it into the second Easy Lock socket and tightening the handle. Wrap the strap around the patient and loop through the black post on the back of the beach chair, fastening it with Velcro. Tighten the strap. Place the non-operative arm onto the arm support. Secure with the Velcro straps as shown. The headrest lock, if used, must be released prior to lowering the beach chair and removing the patient. Once the patient has been safely removed from the device, detach the beach chair from the OR table by reversing the installation steps.